I found this flamingo. It's a pair of flamingos at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start by removing the sparkly cord that's wrapping the two of them. I just love these. I loved how their heads came together and looked like a heart. And when you removed it, the eye and the beak were still part of the plastic. I found this cord at Michael's during Christmas time, and it's just a black and white twisted cord. I like to grab cords around that time of the year. You can usually get really good deals at the end during the clearance. And I began gluing this on the little tabs that the original cord was on. And I'm just kind of outlining the shape, the outside rim of each of these flamingos by using a hot glue gun. Just putting a little glue on each tab and then carrying the cord along the edge. And again, I did this all the way around both flamingos. I found this board 11 by 14 also at the Dollar Tree. It's a little canvas board, and I found this wall adhesive at the Dollar Tree, and it kind of has these palm branches, which I thought was perfect with the flamingos, and it kind of has a bluish background, bluish green, and I adhered it to my board and just folded the corners over each end. Now I'm going to glue my flamingos to my board. Just going to use the hot glue gun. Then I'm going to take my clippers and just clip off the parts of the legs that's hanging past the board. I found these coasters at the Dollar Tree as well. They're just little pineapple hot pink coasters. And I'm going to glue that between the two flamingos. And I'm going to add a buffalo check bow that I just made myself out of, I believe I got this buffalo check also at the Dollar Tree. They go fast. When you see them, you want to grab that particular ribbon. And I just glued it to the pineapple. And now you have this tropical flamingo wall decor. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.